Again, I'm doing a new video in a different way because I get bored very easily of the same kind of video sat in my office. But a question that I get asked a lot on this channel is, well, how do you actually make it in the design industry? What do you do to make money? Because they see people like me, or you guys may see designers like me and think, does he make most of his income on freelance work, or does he make most of his income on freelance YouTube, hand lettering, or what? Like, what way does he make his money online, and how does he do it? So we're going to talk a bit about that today, and I'm going to zoom in all the time. The first way to make it this year as a graphic designer in 2018 is to have an online presence. Now, this one is pretty simple and everyone should really know about this one. If you don't know, I made my whole career revolve around my presence online on YouTube, and you're watching it now. So people like clients who come to watch my content come onto this channel and they become a client from seeing it. Now, obviously you don't have to do exactly what I did. Obviously you don't have to have a YouTube channel and copy the content that I do. If you do want to do that, go for it. The idea is that you have a platform to which you can speak on. So that could be, you know, Twitter, Instagram, that could be Skillshare or other platforms that you could teach on. Anything that can really show clients that you know what you're talking about. When you start teaching people online what you do in your craft, then it puts you above and it gives you sort of an authoritative position in the industry. So people are more likely to trust you, to know what you're talking about and to get the job done. It is bloody freezing out here. The next way to win this year as a creative entrepreneur, graphic designer or whatever is to post out good work daily. We live in an instant culture where a lot of people just want, you know, the fame and everything at first, and they're not willing to put the work into getting that. In the design industry, the only real way of you ever being able to win or gain clients is, one, you have to have really good work or a platform to show your work on. You need to be out of the crowd and you need to make sure that people can see your work. A few years ago I made the decision that my Instagram profile is going to be something where I post work. I wasn't going to post bad selfies or anything anymore because the work that I was doing was important, and for me to gain a following, not only for videos but for my artwork, for hand lettering, logo design, it was important for me to actually get some followers off my work to increase what is known as credibility. Now at this moment in time, I get a lot of my clients from Instagram, and I've got 50,000 followers, and the trick and the way of getting to 50,000 or even to 100 to 200,000 is to post something good every day, or to post every day. There's a guy called Stefan Kunz and he's an amazing lettering artist. You'll have seen him on this channel. I went to America, saw him in America, we did Adobe Live, we went to Iceland, we went all over the place. And his story behind Instagram and how he got to become a lettering artist and get the following that he did is incredible. But the trick is really just to post something every day, whether it's good or bad. Just post it and share your progress. Don't see it as a way of, you know, putting out a portfolio, but show it as a way of showing your progress, the highs and lows of your job. But, you know, I think one of the main things that we need to understand as like creative entrepreneurs this year is that things aren't free. You know, things cost time. Something that I learned very early on in my career is that things take time. I spent years learning design work by myself without any sort of tuition. I looked at videos, I looked at blogs and stuff like that, but the reality is, when it comes to creating a platform or creating a place for you to share your work and to get paid for it, it takes time. So that means YouTube videos could be a good hit for you, but maybe if you're very talented and you're posting great work on your Instagram or things like that, you can maybe do videos on Skillshare or Udemy. You know, places where you can sell your course, or even better yet, you can create your own website to create your course at Teachable. Now the main problem I hear, or the main complaint and excuse that I get all the time when people are like, I can't do it because this and this, is the fact they don't have time, or they don't know how to do it, or they're not willing to do it. Now the reason why you don't have time is because you're not making time, and the reason why you're not willing to do it is because you're scared that you'll fail. Now obviously you can fail, people fail all the time, but something that's helped me out massively in my career and in my general life is asking myself, what would I do if I knew I could not fail? I learned this at a very young age at my church, where my youth pastor told me, what would you do if you knew you couldn't fail? Do that thing that you know is going to be difficult, but go at it thinking that you cannot fail. Obviously not fully at it like that, that would be a bit strange, but go at it in a positive attitude, realistic attitude. And for me, that was, I'm going to start YouTube. And you know, that's what I did. I started YouTube and started posting on there, but not only that, I started hand lettering. I not only did that, I did logo design work for big companies, for big clients, and it has worked out. To crush it this year, just go at it without fear. And I've talked a lot about fear in this channel. I've got another video about fear that you can check out. The whole point of this that I'm trying to explain to you is that if you just work hard enough and spend time, then you will not fail. It's hard to fail. And guys, by the way, I've just been shown, or I've just seen, that my first ever logo design is on show, and I'm going to show you right now. How weird is that, right? That's my first ever logo design that I ever did for a client. You've all been wanting to see it, and I've talked about it. It was one that was my neighbour got me to do it. The main trick is to start small and dream big. Try it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This video has been sponsored by FreshBooks. FreshBooks is an online invoicing system where you can send invoices to your clients and gather up all your expenses that you use, and it's even got a mobile app. One of the best features that I love about FreshBooks is that I'm able to see if a client has viewed an invoice that I've emailed over to him. And another great feature is that there is no fuss with payments. They can literally just press pay now on top of the email that they get with the invoice, and they'll pay through Stripe. So it makes things a lot easier for the clients, especially international clients, to pay me with. Now, if you'd like to try FreshBooks out for 30 days completely free, risk-free, then click that link down below and make sure you tell them how you heard about them. Honestly guys, FreshBooks is good, and all the sponsors on this channel are people or companies that I really back behind and the things that I use. So FreshBooks I've been using for 2 years now, and it is amazing. If you like this video, please press that subscribe button. It is completely free. And if you want to join the sort of squad or the family, go ahead and press that notification bell, enabling all notifications for this video channel. I upload 3 videos a week for you. So if you want to check out more of my content, click the links down below, or go ahead and press that subscribe button with the bell. Guys, thank you so much. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon.